like as soon as you left, everything went into the rhythm and it got real loud. It's just constant.
Yeah, I know.
Something died down.
I noticed that they went down whole.
One Corvette.
Yeah.
One Corvette.
I noticed that they were going the whole time I was in there. So they've been going going on an hour. I was gone for a minute. So, but we're probably going on hour 4 now, huh, Mama? Gotta be. Because it's what, 240? 220? So yeah, we're going on hour 4. So maybe another hour. Should we make some lunch and then head out?
I think we should just like make lunch once we're out.
Okay. Okay. I'm down. Just get right out of here, huh? But yeah, maybe watch an hour more of it and head right out. Because we're hour 4 right now, so. But this has been sick.
I re-staked that over there.
Good job, Mama.
Yeah, you gotta get different steaks. You got like
Yeah, I'm gonna get better steaks.
Get ones that are like 3 times as thick.
And you can see the clouds moving in too, so it's gonna get hairy. Yeah. So we got weather moving in. It's probably going to push the end of this race, so these guys are going to want to push extra hard and get this race in, so get the best position they can, best scenario they can. So it's been an awesome day. We're coming up on like hour 4. We'll probably watch one more hour of racing and sending east towards home. So we got a 6-hour drive. So we'll be home probably 10 o'clock, give or take, is what we'll say. So it's been an awesome day. Straight home when we get to bed. Or, you know what I meant. Straight to bed when we get home. Anyways, have fun, be safe, world.